Welcome back everyone. I just washed me van. Picked this up yesterday. Scrap. It's a water pump. Old engine. Might have a tinker. Get it going. It's got petrol in it, so. Built a solar wax melter today because the other night when I was trying to melt wax, I nearly melted the garden. Killed the grass. And it stinks. So I made this today with yesterday when I picked up that scrap water pump engine. I picked up these two doors with glass windows, so it's double thickness, it's like double glazing. Loaded it out with wax, used some scrap wood to make a box. It lifts up, got it stood facing the sun. It's got drilled some holes, all little holes down the bottom there, which I think perhaps I shouldn't have because it might let the heat out of there. I'm not sure, so I might have to like rethink it a bit. Perhaps have a drop tray or something. And then it's got a board across there. There's some like cheesecloth. Hello bee, don't sting me. It's like some cheesecloth down there blocking the holes up. Where the tray, well, not blocking the holes up, but filtering it to the tray. And then I've just got tissue, kitchen tissue down there, and then yeah, but it's melting. It's definitely melting. See it all in there. Little temperature thing out of a, well, that was for frothing milk for fancy coffee. It's up to 120. I think the gauge might be broke. I think I might have broke that. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see if it works. Probably need to tweak it a little bit. Not seeing no wax drip out yet. But look at the bees today. They're on a honey flow, I reckon.